and I ain't about that life. My hopes are high, but my expectations are low. I'm doing this in a really weird order, I know. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what this was all about. But anyway, it has been such a long time since I've done a get ready with me video, and I've missed it, you know. So I thought today I would bring it back. I would do my typical autumn look. I'm not gonna ramble, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So without further ado, let's get started. So huns, the first thing I'm gonna do is do my nails, because right now I have nothing on my nails, and that is very unusual for me. They ain't looking cute, so we need to fix that ASAP. Most of the time though, I feel like I'm proper busy. It's too expensive to keep going to the salon. Ever since I was little, I've always been a fan of press-on nails. I remember like 11-year-old Han feeling so bougie with her new nails on. So today I'm going to be using these Kiss Impress press-on manicure nails. They are quite literally a lifesaver. They help you achieve a one-step gel manicure in minutes, like so quick. So first of all, you've obviously got to pick what design you want. These are my ones for today. I absolutely love them. They are so autumny. I wanted to go for like a bit of a darker colour. There are so many different designs. I'm going to stick with me burgundies. So inside each pack there are 30 nails, 6 accent nails, a prep pad and a mini file. First up, you've got to find the right size nail for each finger. Just line up the tab with the cuticle, and for best results I'd recommend using the smaller nail sizes. Next up, grab your prep pad to cleanse your natural nails. Make sure they're all nice and clean. Now we can apply the nail. Woo! So you're best to start off with your little finger. Peel off the backing and stick the nail down. They're ready to use, just peel and apply. There's no glue involved, which is great because it makes them super easy. There is literally not a step that can go wrong. Push firmly in the middle of your nail and then at the sides to really stick it on. Hun, these nails ain't going nowhere. Repeat this on all your fingers, leaving your thumbs till last. This new generation of nails feature a super hold dual layer adhesive. It delivers double benefits with 2 layers of adhesion. One for your artificial nail and one for your natural nail for optimal wear. What I also love is these nails are so hassle-free to remove and they cause no damage to your natural nails. Sometimes when I've gone to the salon, it's taken literally 6 months for my nails to recover from damage. Hun, I ain't about that life. So these are my nails. I literally am so in love with them. They are so pretty. And look how autumnal they look. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. You can pick these nails up exclusively at Superdrug for $7.99 a pack. All of the designs are so pretty. They make life so much easier and so much more glamorous. There's a link down in the description below in case any of you guys want to go and check these out. I would highly recommend. So guys, I am now going to move on to my makeup because I need to put something on this face. I'm going to move a little bit closer though. I didn't want to go straight in with the close-up shot because I didn't want to scare anyone. Would just like to say though, not a professional makeup artist. The first thing I'm going to do is wax some concealer on. So I use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 3 right now. Usually I'm the most pale one, but at the min, got a bit of a tan. I don't really wear foundation, to be honest with you. I only wear foundation if I'm going like on a night out or to an event, but even then I don't really wear foundation. I don't know, I've been giving my skin a break and I feel like it's thanking me for it. Also, definitely just too lazy to put foundation on. Next up, I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and someone's going to be screaming at their screen, but I always use concealer to prime my eyelids, and this is in shade 1. I know you can get eyeshadow primers. I have got some. I just don't use them, to be honest. I can't be bothered. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is this Origin palette from Beauty Bay. Look at the colours in here. So autumnal, so pretty. I love it. Also love that this palette tells you like base, transition, crease. Makes it very easy for people like me. First up, I'm going to put this shade all over my lid. I pretty much just use whatever brush I pick up first. Next up, I'm going to put this shade through my crease. I love quite a subtle brown eye look. Subtle, same. I just love browns in the autumn. I just think they look classy, they're easy. You can't really go wrong with them. Then we're going to blend her in. I always tell myself you can never blend enough, although that's probably incorrect. Next up in the outer corner, I'm going to put a bit of this shade. This is actually in the liner section, but I mean, sometimes I like to live on the edge. I know, I'm absolutely wild. I'm also going to take a bit of that shade underneath my eyes. I do feel like this makes it look a bit more dramatic, but I quite like that. I'm not mad about it. And I'm then just going to soften that out a bit. Not sure if you're supposed to do this, but I'm going to put a little bit more concealer on my inner corners just to lighten them up a bit, because I feel like they've just gone a bit dark, you know. I'm then going to take this shade, which is in the highlight section, and put that sort of like in my inner corners and over my lid a little bit, going for a nice goldy brown look. How autumnal. I love these shimmery shades in this palette. They're not too much, but it just gives the look something a little bit more than being completely matte. I'm a big fan. I'm then going to take a little bit of this shade and put this like on the outer third of my eye, just to kind of blend the two colours together, make them a family, you know. I have another quick blend of the outer edges. I'm actually going to quickly put a little bit of this lightest shade right in my inner corners to brighten my eyes a bit. Voila, eyeshadow complete. I'm now gonna do, what do I do next? I'm gonna do a bit of face makeup next. I'm doing this in a really weird order, I know. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna take a bit of Benefit's Hoola Bronzer and chisel my face out. Lovely. I'm gonna take a little bit of this down my nose as well. Bit of nose contour. I've watched all the tutorials. Oh, can't forget your jawline. That's the best bit. Then we blend her out a little bit. And then gonna take a bit of Urban Decay's Beached Bronzer and kind of put this all over my face to blend myself in a bit. You know, I don't wanna look patchy, so this goes all over my face. That's my logic anyway. Next up, I love a bit of blusher. This is my all-time favourite one. It's from Soap & Glory. It's the Peach Party Blush. It's really nice and shimmery. It's kind of like a mixture between a blush and a highlight, I'd say. This is what it looks like. Absolutely love it. Oh, look at that glow. Look at that blushed glow. Let's get me brows done. So, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. I think that's how you say it. Fingers crossed, we have a good brow day, ladies. My hopes are high, but my expectations are low. I'm then going to take a bit of this brow gel from the Body Shop just to keep them in place. Should probably get some eyeliner going. I dread doing my eyeliner on camera because it never goes right. The pressure is real. Average. At best. Do you know what? Next up, I'm going to powder my face. Not sure why I'm choosing to do it now. That's just what my brain's telling me. By the way, the eyeliner that I've just used is from Soap & Glory. It's the Super Cat Skinny Liner. Absolute fave. And now the powder I'm going to use is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I absolutely swear by this. So I'm going to pat this on underneath my eyes. It's going to look really scary at first, but I promise in a while it will look fine. Look at my face right now. And I'm also gonna put just a little bit like on my forehead to get rid of me shine, and a little bit on my cheeks to cut that contour a bit. So now I'm gonna brush away the excess with this little brush. The next step for me is a little bit of highlight. So this is my favourite highlight. It's the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. Can you see it literally just like packs it on? That cute little nose highlight. We're almost getting there, guys. So the next step is mascara. My absolute favourite mascara is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Very crucial step in my humble opinion. And then you really want to go light with this mascara. You don't want to put too much on because it's quite a wet formula. And then, my friends, usually I would leave it here and go for something on the lips. However, today I am going to do my lips, but I'm also going to go for the full shebang and do eyelashes as well. And the glue that I use is this dark duo glue. However, it absolutely stinks, but I'm a little bit scared to change from it because it does stick your lashes on really well. So if anyone's got any recommendations for eyelash glue, please let me know in the comments down below. If she puts her lashes on with her fingers, she's a strong woman. And then just going to take a little bit more mascara to blend my natural lashes with my fake lashes. Come on, guys, bond together. I promise you we're nearly at the end. So next up, I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to take a bit of this lip liner. This is from MAC. This is in the shade Spice. And I'm then going to take this NYX Lingerie Shimmer Lip Gloss Stick Butter. Lip butter. No, that's what it's called. So those colours didn't match as well as I thought they did. But I mean, can you even tell once they're on? And then the very final step, setting spray. And voila, my autumnal makeup is complete. I really, really like this look. I feel like it's quite simple in a way. But anyway, I'm now going to move on and sort me barnet out. For today, I think what I'm going to do with my hair is straighten it and then maybe do some sort of little like French braid in the front. I haven't done that for a while, but I feel like it's quite an autumny hairstyle. It's just cute. So first of all, I've clipped it half up, half down. Looking my best, I know. I then take my VO5 Heat Protect Spray. Spray that all over, keep your hair nice and safe. Grab your straighteners and you're good to go. And I've decided I'm actually not going to do a plait today. I don't know why, I'm just not really feeling it. So instead I'm going to like back comb it to give it some more volume because my hair goes so flat when I've just washed it. And then the final part of my get ready with me is my outfit. I absolutely love autumn clothing. I love layering up. I love cozy jumpers. Do you know what? I think I might go for something cozy today. I was going to go for something cute, but I'm not leaving the house until this evening. So I think I might go with some black leggings. And then, oh, this has been a favourite. Absolutely love this. Let's have that today. Easiest outfit ever. This hoodie is from New Look and my leggings are just these Adidas ones. This is kind of like a very typical autumn outfit for me. And then the best part, how cute. I was actually given this at an event. It's a blanket. And then if I'm on a park bench and I'm feeling a bit chilly, got my blanket with me already. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I really enjoyed filming this one. I need to do get ready with me some more because I really like getting ready. That's like always the best part of my day. That says a lot about my life. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe because I've noticed that recently a lot of you guys watching these videos aren't actually subscribed. So press that little button and you can get a notification when I upload. I want to say a big thank you to Impress Nails for working with me on this video. I absolutely love my nails. They're really giving me these autumn vibes. They make me look like I've got my life together. I definitely haven't, but at least my nails are perfect. And a big thank you to you guys for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!